What's up, guys? It is As Josh Season, and we want to welcome you guys back to the channel. Today we are on the S1000RR, and we are going to a big street bike meetup here in Orange County, California. Super stoked to bring it to you guys right after this. Alright guys, well we met up with our boy Steve Freeman here. We're hopping on the S1000RR. We're going to go meet up with some buddies, go to a big bike meet here in Orange County. Perfect day to be out riding today. So for those of you guys that have followed along on the channel, it has been unusually warm here in Southern California this summer. Few 100+ degree days, and it's kind of put a little bit of a damper on doing a lot of big motorcycle rides. But today we are going to a motorcycle meet hosted by our good friend IMK. Some of you guys have probably seen his YouTube videos and stuff that he is posting, so super excited to go out and support him today. Man, so wanted to give you guys also on the way to this bike meetup just some updates on the S1000RR. We've been talking to a few different people, just weighing out all the different mods and add-ons that we can do to this bike. We have landed on a parts list of things that we're going to be doing to upgrade this motorcycle. Super stoked to bring it to you guys, but we're kind of thinking that we're going to replace these stock mirrors up here with maybe some of the Rizoma Stealth mirrors. I really like the aesthetic and what those bring to the table. Definitely going to do a tail tidy kit. You guys have been talking back and forth, letting me know in the comment section on what kind of tail tidy kits you like. It seems to be that the TST tail tidy kit is kind of the crowd favorite. Honestly, I don't love the aesthetic of that one, so we might be going with the NRG, NRC, whatever the name is of that one. I'll link to it here in the channel. Let's see, where are we going? Alright, Jamboree. Oh, there's a big bump coming up on this. I know because I hit it in my truck. Where is it? How's it going to feel on... Oh, they paved over it. That's actually super nice. It was like aggressive. Even when I'd hit it, like especially in a sports car or something, it was super uncomfortable. But even in like my Toyota Tacoma, it was like a really aggressive bump. And I was wondering how it was going to feel on this sports suspension on the S1000RR. Wasn't too bad. Anyways, what I was saying is, yeah, we've kind of finalized a list of things that we're going to be doing to this motorcycle. As you guys have seen, there already is a ton of carbon fiber on this bike, so a lot of the stuff that we would have done carbon fiber to, frankly, is already done, so that's super nice on a build. BMW did a great job in adding some of this stuff. But yeah, definitely, like these mirrors, I don't know. I mean, they work good. They don't vibrate a lot. I just don't really love the aesthetic of them, so we're going to be going with the Rizoma Stealth. They're a lot more, well, stealthy. I just feel like they look a lot better. Not sure functionality, like how good they're going to do, but we'll see about that. So yeah, we are on our way right now. We're actually doing a pre-meetup with some of the guys at a gas station where we're going to meet, and we're going to kind of ride in together to the larger motorcycle meetup here in Irvine, California. So should be a few guys waiting at the gas station. We're a couple miles out from it right now. Well, alright guys, we are here at the meetup. We got tons of bikes around. Next stop, we're gonna go have ourselves a fancy motorcycle meet. There is a lot of motorcycles here. Some fancy motorcycles. Tons of carbon fiber. I think that's a nitrous tank right there. Here we go. So yeah guys, it looks like, I mean, this is just the pre-motorcycle turnout. We are just riding to the actual meetup right now. And there are a good amount of bikes. So, you know, there's probably going to be at least 100 motorcycles at this meetup. Alright, well, not a lot of narrating is going to happen on this part. We're just hanging out, cruising on the way to the motorcycle meet. Lot of super bikes all in one pack, and hey, a super moto here along for the ride. That's amazing. All of the motorcycles. Well, here we are, guys. We are at the motorcycle meetup. Look at all of these bikes. It's great weather out today. Not too hot. Hey, good to see you. Should be a great time. Alright guys, so the GoPro actually ran out of batteries, so we are here shooting the outro on the iPhone. Super good bike meetup, tons of good people, nice, sick motorcycles. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, enjoying the videos. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe, like the video, turn notifications on. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this community. Till we meet again, peace.